Namaskar, Khushro Bitiya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is Tract of Spinal Cord Part 3. So we resume the previous online lecture, that is 10th tract, fasciculus gracilis, tract of Gall, and fasciculus cuneatus, tract of Bodak. Fasciculus gracilis and fasciculus cuneatus are together called ascending posterior column tract. These tracts are formed by fiber from posterior root ganglia. Thus, both the tracts are constituted by the fiber of first order neuron of sensory pathway. Situation: tract of Gall and Bodak are situated in posterior white column of spinal cord, hence the name posterior column tract. In the cervical and upper thoracic segment of spinal cord, the posterior white column is divided by posterior intermediate septum into medial fasciculus gracilis and lateral fasciculus cuneatus. Origin: fiber of these two tracts are the axon of first order neuron. Cell body of this neuron is in the posterior root ganglion and their fiber form the medial division bundle of posterior nerve root. Course: after entering spinal cord, the fiber ascend through the posterior white column. These fiber don't synapse in spinal cord. Some fiber of medial division of posterior nerve root descend through posterior white column in the form of fasciculus interfascicularis or coma tract of Sulze. Termination: tract of Gall and Bodak terminate in medulla oblongata. Fiber of fasciculus gracilis terminate in nucleus gracilis, and fibers of fasciculus cuneatus terminate in nucleus cuneatus. Neurons of these medullary nuclei form the second order neuron. Function: tract of posterior white column convey impulses of following sensation. First, fine epicretic tactile sensation. Second, tactile localization, ability to locate the area of skin where the tactile stimulus is applied with closed eyes. Tactile discrimination or two-point discrimination, ability to recognize the two stimuli applied over the skin simultaneously with closed eye. Sensation of vibration, ability to perceive the vibration from a vibrating tuning fork placed over bony prominence conducted to deep tissue through skin. It is the synthetic sense produced by combination of touch and pressure sensation. Conscious kinesthetic sensation, sensation of awareness of various muscular activity in different part of body. Stercognosis, ability to recognize the known object by touch with closed eye. It is also a synthetic sense produced by combination of touch and pressure sensation. Descending tract of spinal cord. Descending tract of spinal cord are formed by motor nerve fibers arising from brain and descend into spinal cord. These tracts carry motor impulses from brain to spinal cord. Descending tract of spinal cord are two types: pyramidal tract and extrapyramidal tract. Pyramidal tract: anterior corticospinal tract and lateral corticospinal tract. Extrapyramidal tract: medial longitudinal fasciculus, anterior vestibulospinal tract, lateral vestibulospinal tract, reticulospinal tract, tactospinal tract, ruderospinal tract, oligospinal tract. Pyramidal tract. Pyramidal tract were the first tract to be found in man. Pyramidal tract of spinal cord are the descending tract concerned with voluntary motor activities of body. These tracts are otherwise known as corticospinal tract. There are two corticospinal tracts, the anterior corticospinal tract and lateral corticospinal tract. While running from cerebral cortex towards the spinal cord, the fiber of these two tracts give the appearance of a pyramid on the upper part of anterior surface of medulla oblongata, hence the name pyramidal tract. So in this diagram you can see fasciculus gracilis and fasciculus cuneatus fibers. Both are closed at pons or medulla junction and then ascend upward up to thalamus. In this diagram, pyramidal distribution here. And this fiber reach up to internal capsule and then up to somatosensory area, premotor area, primary and supplementary motor areas. Pyramidal tract. Pyramidal tract, where the first tract to be found in man. Pyramidal tract of spinal cord are the descending tract concerned with voluntary motor activities of body. These tracts are otherwise known as corticospinal tract. There are two corticospinal tracts, the anterior corticospinal tract and lateral corticospinal tract. While running from cerebral cortex towards spinal cord, the fiber of these two tracts give the appearance of a pyramid on the upper part of anterior surface of medulla oblongata, hence the name pyramidal tract. Origin. Fiber of pyramidal tract arise from following cells or area of cerebral cortex. Giant cells or bed cells or pyramidal cells in precentral gyrus of motor cortex. These cells are situated in area 4 of frontal lobe. Other area of motor cortex, namely premotor area, area 6 and supplementary motor areas. Function. Pyramidal tract are concerned with voluntary movement of body. Fiber of pyramidal tract transmit motor impulse from motor area of cerebral cortex to the anterior motor neuron of spinal cord. These two tracts are responsible for fine scale movement. Extrapyramidal tract. Descending tract of spinal cord other than pyramidal tract are called extrapyramidal tract. Medial longitudinal fasciculus, anterior vestibulospinal tract, lateral vestibulospinal tract, reticulospinal tract, tactospinal tract, rubrospinal tract, olivospinal tract. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.